Hey, what's up everybody? We're getting our concrete today. So we're getting a load from West Hawaii Concrete. They're gonna use this pump to pump it into where we're gonna make the foundation. Okay, here comes the concrete going into the pump, and the pump's gonna pump it out to where it needs to go. We'll take a look at that and check it out. So there's the truck dumping the concrete into the hopper for the pump. Goes through this line, and that's where it's going. There's concrete coming out of the pump. It's pretty cool how much concrete comes out. Can only imagine how long it would take just to do that part by hand. Well, they started at 8:30 and it's 8:40 right now, and check out how much they did so far. So in 10 minutes they're almost halfway done there. Man, wish I had one of those. Okay, it's about 15 minutes in and about half of it's done, and they're smoothing it out now. So after about 20 minutes, they did the first smooth out of one side, and now they're pumping the concrete into the other half. This is so amazing. I can't believe, I've never seen it done like this. So the first truck is going, and we have one more truck. Well, that's crazy. Everything from that truck is in this half, and you have another truck up the driveway. Well, here comes the second truck. So now they're smoothing it out. Check, look. Oh, super smooth already. So now they're pumping from the second truck. I bet you they're going to be done even faster than the first half. Well, it's half an hour, and can't believe how much they got done in half an hour. It helps when you have the right tools and you know what you're doing. 35 minutes in, and they poured this section and now are smoothing it out. Just got that one little section over there to do yet. We're at the 40-minute mark, and it's going even faster. Well, it looks amazing. We're at 55 minutes, and there's only that one section left. Pretty amazing. Did this whole slab in just about an hour. Well, this is the base. Now we just need the walls and the roof. Well, after an hour, we have our beautiful slab. 5 inches, and this will be the base for our building. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and aloha.